وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين.
By Allah, I shall certainly carry out my plan against your gods after you're gone.
فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون.
Then he broke them all into pieces, sparing only the Supreme One among them, that they may possibly return to him.
قالوا ما فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين.
When they saw the idols in this state, they said, "Who has done this to our gods? Surely he is one of the wrongdoers."
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم.
Some of them said, "We heard a youth called Abraham speak ill of them."
قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
The others said, "Bring him then before the eyes of the people, that they may see what will be done to him."
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
On Abraham's arrival they said, "Abraham, are you he who has done this to our gods?"
قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون.
He answered, "Rather it was the Supreme One who has done it, so ask them if they can speak."
فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون.
Thereupon they turned to their inner selves and said to themselves, "Surely it is you who are the wrongdoers."
ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
Then their minds were turned upside down, and they said, "You know well that they do not speak."
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم.
Abraham said, "Do you then worship beside Allah a thing that can neither benefit you nor hurt you?"
أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون.
Fie upon you and upon all that you worship beside Allah. Do you have no sense?
قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين.
They said, "Burn him and come to the support of your gods if you are going to do anything."
قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم.
We said, "O fire, become coolness and safety for Abraham."
وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين.
They had sought to do evil to him, but we caused them to be the worst losers.
ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
And we saved him and Lot, and brought him to the land upon which we had bestowed our blessings for all the people of the world.
ووهبنا له إسحاق وكلا جعلنا صالحين.
And we bestowed upon him Isaac and Jacob as an additional gift, making each of them righteous.
وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
And we made them into leaders to guide people in accordance with our command, and we inspired them to good works and to establish prayers and to give zakah. They worshipped us alone.
ولوطا آتيناه حكما وعلما ونجيناه من القرية التي كانت تعمل الخبائث إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فاسقين.
We bestowed upon Lot sound judgment and knowledge, and we delivered him from the city that was immersed in foul deeds. They were indeed a wicked people, exceedingly disobedient.
وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And we admitted him into our mercy. Verily, he was of the righteous.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
We bestowed the same favor upon Noah. Recall when he cried to us before. We accepted his prayer and delivered him and his household from the great distress.
ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And we helped him against a people who rejected our signs as false. They were indeed an evil people, and so we drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين.
We bestowed the same favor upon David and Solomon. Recall when they gave judgment regarding a tillage into which the sheep of some people had strayed at night, and we were witness to their judgment.
ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين.
We guided Solomon to the right verdict, and we had granted each of them judgment and knowledge. We made the mountains and the birds celebrate the praise of Allah with David. It was we who did all this.
وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
It was we who taught him the art of making coats of mail for your benefit, so that it may protect you from each other's violence. Do you then give thanks?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين.
And we subdued the strongly raging wind to Solomon, which blew at his bidding towards the land. We blessed. We know everything.
ومن الشياطين من يغوصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And we subdued many devils who dived into the sea for him and carried out other jobs besides that. We kept watch over all of them.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
We bestowed the same wisdom, judgment and knowledge upon Job. Recall when he cried to his Lord, "Behold, disease has struck me, and you are the most merciful of those that are merciful."
فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
We accepted his prayer and removed the affliction from him, and we not only restored to him his family, but as many more with them as a mercy from us and as a lesson to the worshippers.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين.
And we bestowed the same favor upon Ishmael, Idris and Dhul Kifl, for they were all steadfast.